Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to XIAOMI Redmi 10C. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. After that, you need to open it. Following that, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then you need to choose Receive on XIAOMI Redmi 10C and Send on this XIAOMI device. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will pick all of your files and send them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, maybe from a Photos category. Like that one, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on XIAOMI Redmi 10C, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now finally we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive, but we can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon over here, choosing Allow or Only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Now after literally a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!